Humans are unique in many ways. As the human race, our complex thinking, opposable thumbs, bipedalism, childhood, and reproduction characterize our uniqueness. This video will focus on the differences in the reproduction age and length of childhood between humans and other animals. A human's childhood is exceptionally long compared to that of other animals. According to our society today, and under the law, a human being is considered a child until they are 18 years old. Theoretically, the childhood of a human lasts from when they are born until they turn 18 years old. This length of childhood is exceedingly extensive when compared to that of other mammals. A giraffe's childhood lasts for around 15 months. After these 15 months, the calves leave their mothers and families and begin a life on their own. These calves typically form giraffe broods after leaving home. Whales have an abnormally short childhood and leave their matriarchal society within 9 months of birth. After learning from their mothers about how to find food, fight off predators, and migrate in the winters, the whales many times form pods with other young whales. Zebras leave their families within 1 year of birth. At age 2, zebras typically begin the search for a mate and reproduce in the following years. Zebras typically give birth in the summer and mating takes place in the fall, breeding every 18 to 24 months. Gorillas depart from their families and mothers within 3 years of birth, a longer period of childhood compared to other mammals due to their similarity to humans. Lions leave their families within 4 years of birth and reach maturity around age 3. These mammals have considerably shorter childhoods than that of humans, which correlates with the fact that humans reproduce later in their lives than other animals, specifically mammals. Because the human's childhood is exceptionally long, the average reproduction age for a human is considerably larger than that of other mammals. The average age of reproductions for humans is 26. This is because humans are considered children for 18 years of their life, restricting the societal role to reproduce. The lion's average age of reproduction is 4 to 5 years of age, typically breeding once every 2 years. Lions leave their mothers and families within 4 years, as said before, and begin breeding reproducing soon after. Gorillas and some monkeys have an unusually late average reproduction age, like their childhood length compared to that of the other mammals. Their late reproduction period correlates with their striking similarities with humans. Gorillas and various monkey species have around a 4-year gap between birth, which is homogeneous to that of humans. Female giraffes are ready to mate and reproduce within 4 years of birth, around 2.5 years after they've departed from their mothers and families. The reproduction season is typically during the rainy season, when food supply is ample. Whales give birth at around age 7, about 6 years after they reach their maturity. Male whales are mature between 7 and 10 years of age. For females, maturity occurs about 5 to 7 years of age. Zebras are ready to mate and reproduce at around 2 to 3 years of age, an incredibly early age, only after about 1 year of life without their families. The considerable difference between the childhood and reproduction age of humans and other mammals is striking. Even while taking puberty into account, which occurs in different forms in most mammals, humans give birth much later than other mammals due to their length of childhood, typically lasting 18 years. This long childhood is directly correlated to the late reproduction age. It is apparent that humans display unique and distinct characteristics from that of other animals and mammals. Along with our complex thought process, opposable thumbs, childhood length, and reproduction, humans have the ability to self-reflect and reflect upon what it means to be human. This is something that will always make